Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chevy Impala trunk without a key. First, we'll look at the interior release button and the key fob. Then, we'll cover the emergency release from inside the trunk. Finally, we'll discuss other options like a locksmith or a valet switch. This guide will help you regain access quickly and safely, ensuring you can retrieve your items without hassle. Many Impala models have an interior trunk release button, often found on the dashboard or driver's side door panel. Simply press it to open the trunk. If you have a key fob, try pressing and holding the trunk release button on it for a few seconds. Make sure your car battery isn't completely dead, as these electronic methods require power to function. If the electronic methods fail, you can often access the trunk through the rear seats. Fold down the back seats to create an opening. Once inside the trunk, look for a small, glow-in-the-dark handle or lever near the latch. This is the emergency release. Pull it firmly, and the trunk should pop open, allowing you to retrieve your items. Some Impala models have a valet switch, often located in the glove compartment, which can disable the trunk release. Ensure this switch is in the on position. If all else fails, a professional locksmith has specialized tools to open your trunk without causing damage. Always ensure all car doors are unlocked before attempting any trunk release method, as this can sometimes prevent it from opening.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.